What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today, very, very happy day. So, the engine's back together. We got the new spark plugs. We ran it yesterday, but we didn't film. We just wanted to low key to ourselves put it back together. All we had to do was we put in the downpipe, put the O2 sensors in so the engine can tune itself, and we put new spark plugs in. And the truck ran and it didn't overheat. I'm gonna start it up for you guys so you guys can see in a minute. But a lot of people kind of, if you saw the Instagram post and the Facebook post, a lot of people were asking me, so what was the problem? Now, I don't really know. So I think I showed you guys on the last video that the head gaskets didn't look like they have any damage in them. And then we did also fix, there's quite a few like major vacuum leaks that we did specifically that we addressed. This intake right here has some vacuum ports under it, and they thread in. When we first put this together, I didn't think about it. I didn't put Teflon tape on there, and with the vibration of the engine, those were hand tight. So we redid those. We did change the head gaskets. It had stock 6-liter head gaskets, and this engine's bored out 30,000. So I got specific head gaskets that are bored out. They're designed for slightly bigger, so bored out 30,000 head gaskets. And we also had the previous exhaust manifold gaskets. They were really, really crappy. And I was getting exhaust leak by through the exhaust manifold gaskets as well. So we addressed all of that. So I can't tell you definitively what, oh, and I redid the tune on the, for the engine. So I reset everything. So reset the programming. So when we first started it, it was like the first time we started it, the engine had to learn how to even idle itself. So I redid all of that stuff. And when it ran, we had it running for 30 minutes. I'll put in that clip right here. I had it in portrait, so excuse that. But I'll put that in right here. So as you see, the engine was running at 30 minutes at that point, and coolant temp was 185. And if we just adjusted the throttle slightly, it will drop right back down to like 170 something. So I'm really confident that we fixed the overheating issue. I'm not exactly sure which of those items that we fixed. It might have been a combination of all of them. It might have been one of them. I don't know. But it is cooling. So I am glad that we did take the time to go apart and go through and strip this engine down and rebuild it, because there are things that we wouldn't have found that we didn't realize were an issue. But yes, I'm super stoked. I still got to put the exhaust on. We are still contemplating redoing the exhaust. Well, not contemplating. I want to redo the exhaust. So I'm not super happy with it. So that is something on the hit list of things that need to get done. But right now, the truck runs and the truck doesn't overheat. So super stoked about that one. But yeah, so pretty much what's next with this truck is I can go get it registered now. So I'm going to go through the process of getting it registered, and I'll do a separate video just on showing you what I have to do in Florida, my area in Florida. I've already been to the DMV once to kind of get a list of everything I needed to do. That's part of the reason why I got it weighed, and that's when we found out that the engine was overheating badly. We never really driven it for a long period of time, so when we drove it to go to the scales to go get weighed, we trailered it to get the scales, get it weighed. It overheated. No, but yeah, um, I'm pretty stoked. So now, what's next? Get it registered, and I'll do a video on that and really show you guys the process and what you need to do that. All right. Without further ado, I know you guys want to see it run. I want to hear it run again because I love seeing this truck run. Yeah, so as you saw, it runs very, very healthy. It sounds really good. I'm pretty stoked. So, yeah, little short video today, I know, but we pretty much finished it the other week, but we were just tired and didn't feel like doing the last step because it was a whole nother hour after that because we wanted to run and see if what we did worked. But yes, it worked. It stayed cool. I'm pretty stoked about it. And yes, thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let me know. Have a good one, guys. Peace.